Introduction. Step 1. Weight loss made easy. Discover the power of lemon coffee. Can a simple combination of coffee and lemon juice help you lose weight faster? Let's explore what makes this drink so popular and how it's believed to work. Boosts metabolism, increases fat burning, reduces appetite, aids digestion, detoxifies the body, rich in vitamin C.
How to make lemon coffee.
Brew a cup of black coffee, squeeze half a lemon, mix well and enjoy. While the taste might be a bit intense, many believe it's a natural fat burner. Remember, there's no magic drink. For weight loss, a balanced diet and regular exercise are still key. Have you tried lemon coffee? Let us know in the comments below. Hello Legend Man. Like, share, and subscribe. For more health tips.